If you've been paying attention to business and tech news, you've likely been hearing lots of news about businesses going to the cloud. But most of us still don't understand what the cloud is. The reality is that every person who has ever used the internet has actually used the cloud. Understanding how it affects our lives, our businesses, and most importantly our revenue is an important step to being successful in a world full of automation and technology. Before the cloud existed, sharing files, listening to music, or searching for information required various manual processes or resources that took time, cost money, and ultimately couldn't keep up with changing trends and events. As the need for something better arose from a generation placing more importance on instant information, the big guys quickly moved in to fill the need. Suddenly, we were accessing email from any computer, searching for information on any subject, and chatting with our friends in other countries.
Hello.
Then, we had new companies popping up to offer other services meant to make our lives easy. So much so that the big companies found themselves struggling to keep up. And now, we're left with tons of cloud solutions that all do very specific things, meaning on any given day, the average person will use at least 10 passwords. In fact, we use so many passwords that the need for cloud solutions to help us remember passwords became a thing. But with all these convenient services starting to make life more inconvenient, we started to see cloud solutions that bring some of our favorite features under one big umbrella. A great example of this is AdAssist. AdAssist is a cloud-based property management system that, like a toolbox, contains the tools to do just about anything. It's your email, calendar, notice board, and CRM. It's your task manager, bookkeeper, collection agent, and receptionist. But it's also so much more. It offers a recorded history of communication and transactions for maximum accountability. It lets you reconcile your bank transactions to cut your accounting fees drastically. How AdAssist makes property management a breeze for anyone who manages properties is a list that could go on forever. But it's not the amount of impressive features packed into AdAssist that make it so powerful. Where previously a mixture of programs were needed to achieve organizational zen, AdAssist does all of this with just one simple solution. But why does this matter? Instead of telling you, why don't I show you? Let's imagine that you're a smart board member at a self-managed condominium. Your building has been having trouble keeping organized, collecting payments, and keeping financial and service request records. So you get the okay to sign up for AdAssist and add the other board members as well as the owners at the condominium. They receive an invite with an account already set up and ready to go. The owner in 4F is selling their condo and sends you a message to request some documents. You check their account to ensure it's up to date and prepare the documents they need. You upload the documents to their account and send them a message to let them know to contact you if they need anything else. The owner in 3C has rented out their condo to a new tenant. They send you a message because that's what they've always done. You respond to let them know they can do this themselves from their account. They add the tenant with contact details to their property and update their mailing address. Neither you, the owner in 4F, nor the owner in 3C have left AdAssist. You receive a message from the owner in 1B asking how much they owe in condo fees. You direct them to their customized statement where they can see exactly what they owe. At the end of the month, the next month of condo fees are automatically added to every owner's statement and a notification sent to them. You notice overdue notices have already been sent, but you follow up anyway because you have a bit more time on your hands than usual for a month end. Your office is getting a bit crowded with expense receipts. So you add your bank accounts, starting balances, and then enter your expenses. You then have a comprehensive look at how your condominium is doing, but notice you could be spending less on paper and printing. You make a note to use less paper. You need to post a notice about a water shutoff happening later in the week. Remembering your paperless pledge, you quickly send the notice to all owners, tenants, and residents with one click. The owner in 3B responds to the message asking if you could send a reminder on the day so they don't forget. You respond back that you'd be happy to. When the day arrives, you copy your original message and send it out by email and text message to all the owners, tenants, and residents. Neither you, the owners, nor the tenants have left AdAssist. The owner in 2D's dog has been having accidents in the hallway, and you've received complaints from his neighbors. So you send the owner a message and tell him he'll be responsible for paying for the cleanup. He grumbles, but eventually agrees. You create a service request and send it to 3 cleaning companies on your favorites list to get a quote. The first company declines the job as they are overbooked. The second company sends a quote that's much higher than you expected. The third company sends a more reasonable quote, so you accept the quote and assign them to the service request. The cleaning company receives the work order and goes and takes care of the mess. When finished, they update the work order and send you a message with the cost. You input this cost in your expenses and add it to the owner's statement for payment. Neither of you, nor all 3 cleaning companies, have left AdAssist. You send a message to the board to schedule a meeting. One board member prefers Wednesday, another prefers Thursday, so you put it to a vote and schedule the meeting for Wednesday. One of the other board members uploads the minutes from the last meeting and the agenda for the upcoming meeting. In preparation, you print your last month of financials, service requests, and overdue payments. You also print out that questionable message exchange you had with the disgruntled owner over his dog. On top of that, it's tax time again, a time you usually dread. So you make a pot of coffee, play some soft jazz, and get ready to spreadsheet your night away. You select your dates, hit submit, and out pops your year of financials ready to pass on to the accountant, all before you finished your first mug. You see that your property has saved thousands of dollars and quickly send a message to the rest of the board. They message you back to say they're delighted and after a bit of lively discussion agreed to discuss it at the next board meeting. Neither you nor the board members have left AdAssist. With all the money you've saved, you decide to hire a property manager.
Hi there.
To get them started, you simply add them to your account. The owner in 4A sends a message to ask if their request to book the recreation room back in March is still a go. The new property manager checks back through the history and replies with a confident, yes. They send a message to the board to schedule your next board meeting. Neither you, the board, the owner in 4A, nor your new property manager have left AdAssist. By using a cloud-based management solution, there is no waiting, no miscommunication, no paper. There is only AdAssist. By having so many features packed into one solution, it's made simpler and more efficient property management accessible to self-managed condominiums, property managers, as well as their supporting staff. In the past, admin staff, property managers, and accounting staff all maintained their own information. With AdAssist, everyone is using one unified system where changes made are updated for all departments. It's like having a lifetime subscription to your favorite bands where you always have the latest music right at your fingertips. AdAssist is an all-in-one solution that works for any size of property or company by allowing you to subscribe to as little or as many units as you need. This flexibility means you only pay for what you use, and it can grow with you as you grow. Your condominium or property management company could be taking the step to better management in the cloud. The best thing is, it's super easy to get started. Simply visit our website at adassist.com and sign up for free today.